Welcome to Jove. Let's take a look at how you can import a common cartridge file into Brightspace. Open the Jove website. Sign in to your account. Click on your profile icon and select My Playlists. Search for your playlist of interest and click to open it. Click on the Download CC button. This will download the common cartridge file on your computer. Log into Brightspace. Go to Settings. Select Import or Export or Copy Components. Select Import Components. Click on the Start button. Click on the Upload button. Choose the previously downloaded file. Click on Import All Components button. Click on View Content button. Click on a video from the collection to view. That's it. Thank you for watching.